Hello everybody and welcome to a video on how to make a Gorilla Tag copy in Spring Cleaning 2023. First off, what you want to do is click the Discord link in the description. It leads to Ratman's GTAG copy help. It used to be Beatles GTAG copy help, also known as Phobias on YouTube. He retired, he quit, he gave it to Ratman. He will never be forgotten. But yeah, whenever you join that, go down to projects and copy creation. Scroll all the way down, Spring Cleaning 23. Then click this link, then download it, and then extract it, do all that, blah, 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 blah. Once you do that, click Add Project from Disk in Unity Hub. If you don't have it, download it. I'll leave the link to Unity Hub in the description as well. So what you want to do is just click your disk, Gorilla Tag, export a project, and then open. It might ask you to install an editor, but it's fine if you already have an editor. It will not affect you, I don't think. Never affected me, so. Alright, so whenever you're doing that, you're just click open, and then it'll take a few minutes for it to open up. So yeah, you could do whatever you want to the project. If you want to change the text, gizmos right here, just click that. You could just change it. Camera FOV, I like mine at 90. And click gizmos, and then go to console, and then click the draw on gizmos error. It'll take you to somewhere called nav mesh floor. It's this one. Just disable that. It'll make the errors go away. Alright, so now that you did that, you could do anything you want to the game. Don't really care. It's your game after all. But yeah. But we're not done. So what you want to do is go to Google, go to PlayFab and Photon, and then sign in. Once you're signed in, there will be a button right here called New Studio. Click that, and then you'll see this. Literally, all you need to do is just type in your game name. So I'm just gonna do tutorial, or yeah, tag. Save. And whenever you're there, what is this game, bro? I don't know. But yeah, so just click this. And oh yeah, when you're in the Discord, go and find the DLC for it. I'll be right back once I find it. I think I already have a DLC, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click Catalogs Legacy, and then upload a JSON, choose File, and then choose the JSON that you installed. Every update. Doesn't work. Okay. Christmas 24 and below. That should work. No, it does not work. Be right back. I think what you have to do first is go to currency and make a new currency. So SR, shiny rocks, and then you can make this to whatever number you want. Initial deposit is what you start with, so just make it 10,000. Recharge unit per day. Normally it's 100 in Gorilla Tag, but I'm gonna make it 1,000. And recharge maximum is the max shiny rocks you can have. So I'm gonna do the max, which is I think 99 billion. I don't know, 999 billion. Yeah. All right, now you should be able to make a new JSON. Yes, that's what you needed to do. I'm a Riri. I'm sorry. All right, so once you did that, go to settings. This is important. Go to API features, and then allow client to add virtual currency, subtract virtual currency, and view the ban reason and duration. And turn all these four off. and then save it. Once that's saved, you can go to Photon, go to Dashboard, create new app, and then real time, make the name, create, and do the same exact one for voice. So now what you want to do is go back to PlayFab, go to add-ons, scroll down to PlayFab, oh my god, Photon, and then how to set up Photon real time with PlayFab. Go to number 5 and take this URL right here and just paste that in. Get your PlayFab ID, which is usually like 6 letters. Used to be 5, but now it's 6. Put it in these curly brackets. Paste. Copy that. Go to Photon. Go to your game. Scroll down to custom server. Delete that. Paste that in and save. Now we're going to do the same thing with the voice. Now that we did that, we can now close this tab, not actual Photon. We don't want to do that. Now, what you want to do is save or copy this, and copy this. It'll be saved in your clipboard, so you could just go back. Yeah. So now that you did that, go back to your game. In the hierarchy, search up PlayFab auth. Right click, edit script. It might ask you what you want to open it with. You could open it with your scripting, Visual Studio 22, 19, code, don't matter. Even Notepad works. So you want to put all of that into here. I'll see you whenever I did that. Alright, so now that I did that, it's different and it is connected to your game. One thing that I would check though is scroll all the way down, and if you have something that says application.quit, not this, it would look like this. It'll kind of look like that. It'll make you quit your game, delete that. You don't want it. But yeah, just whenever you just save that. It's hot in this room. And just clear your errors. Now what you want to do is go in your assets and type in PlayFab shared. And then where it says title ID, just put in your PlayFab ID and then go to Photon servers. Should be the first one. And then put pun as your real time and both of these as your voice. So I'm going to do that right now. Voice. And I need my real time. So let me get that. Alright. Now you're pretty much done. So now if we save it and click play, either this play button up here or Control P, you'll enter play mode. Oh, alright, I messed up on one thing. We gotta fix it, chat. I forgot the revision. I will be right back once I find the revision. Alright, so once you found the revision, everything will be posted in my Discord server soon. I'm still making it, but yeah, you're gonna want to go to Cloud Script and revisions, legacy. Control A this and paste all that in. That's not the revision. Give me a second. Okay, now I found the right revision. It's this one. So once you just put that in, save revision 2, deploy, save and deploy. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit forgetful sometimes. My memory will get better as I progress. I've had a lot of developing experience, but I quit a few months ago and I'm just now coming back. So give me a break. So now that we did that, you want to, yeah, you can start your game now, I'm pretty sure. And servers should be up, voice chat should be working, everything should be completely fine. What the fuck? What did I do wrong? I don't know what I did wrong. I did everything. I'm forgetful again. We didn't connect it to PlayFab. Okay. Don't mind me. Okay, I'm a little bit retarded. Alright, real time. In there. Voice. In there. Install Photon. Okay, now it's fixed. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. It's just whenever I'm on recording, I mess up a lot. See, there we go. See? I told you I knew what I was doing. Anyways. Yeah, servers should work. Gorilla Player. And just move myself out there. And as you see, servers work, voice works, and yeah, that's pretty much how you make a Gorilla Tag copy in the Spring Cleaning 23 update. If you have any more suggestions, please comment down below on what I should do next. And I promise I will not make any mistakes this time. Alright, peace.